Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can unlock the passive income potential and start earning money with Vecteezy AI. So, you may be wondering, what is Vecteezy AI? Well, Vecteezy AI is an incredible online platform that allows you to create stunning, high-quality vector graphics with just a few clicks. Now, here's where the money-making magic happens. Vecteezy AI has a unique feature called the Marketplace Partnership Program. This program allows you to earn money by selling your own designs on the Vecteezy Marketplace. Imagine that. Creating beautiful designs and getting paid for it. It sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, with Vecteezy AI, it's a reality. Here's how it works. You create your designs using Vecteezy AI's powerful AI-powered tools. Once you're satisfied with your creation, you can easily submit it to the marketplace. The marketplace is a hub for designers from all over the world. It's a place where people come to browse, purchase, and download amazing vector graphics for their projects. When someone buys your design, you'll earn a commission. The best part is, you don't have to worry about printing, packaging, or shipping. Vecteezy takes care of all that for you. They handle the transactions and ensure that you get paid. But it gets even better. Vecteezy AI also offers a generous referral program. By referring others to join the platform and start creating, you can earn a percentage of their earnings as well. So, not only can you make money from your own designs, but also from others' success. It's a win-win situation. You get to unleash your creativity, build a passive income stream, and be a part of a thriving designer community. So, what are you waiting for? Start using Vecteezy AI today and unlock the incredible passive income potential. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your passion into profit. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, happy designing!